Hey there, I'm Christina, and this is a demo of OneSchema's Branding Suite. So imagine I'm the product team at LinkedIn, and I want to use OneSchema to allow my customers to import lists of contacts that they want to target for, say, LinkedIn advertising. But the OneSchema importer has a lot of colors that don't quite fit my brand, and I want to make sure it looks exactly the way it should look inside of LinkedIn. What we can do is use OneSchema's Branding Suite to make sure all of the fonts and colors look exactly like it should look inside of LinkedIn's branding. So I'm going to pop over here, and these are LinkedIn's brand colors. So probably the first thing I'll do is take this primary color and change the primary color in the app to match. In this case, I'm probably first going to do the primary color, and then I'm probably also going to change the buttons to be the same color. As you can see, when I fill these in real time in this preview pane here, it will show you all of the different places where the color changes that I'm applying are being used. Great. Already looks a little bit more like LinkedIn by adding that color. LinkedIn, I believe, has square buttons, so we're going to drop the border radius down to 0, and you can see that reflect in all of the buttons as well. And it looks like the red that they use is a little bit less bright than the red that we use as our default color. So I'm going to go ahead and add that too. Their yellow color also looks a little oranger than the one that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and add that there. And then I'm going to go ahead and change some of the grays as well to match their color. It looks like maybe these tertiary and secondary buttons would be good to turn into this more dark gray color. So this is the secondary, secondary button fill and secondary button stroke. We can change to match. Maybe we don't need to show a difference to our customers between the secondary and tertiary button colors. Great. Then of course, another really important thing that we're going to want to change is the font to match the font that LinkedIn uses in their app. The font that they use is Source Sans Pro, so what we can do here is just get a reference to the Source Sans Pro link. Under fonts, where is fonts? We can go ahead and paste that in, and then the font family is Source Sans Pro, and then we can go ahead and push those changes live to our app. So already, just with a few simple styling changes, we've already got an import that looks a whole lot more like LinkedIn styling than the original styling from OneSchema. If you're ever working with this and you want to change it back to our defaults, really easy to go in, and if you click the X here, it just changes it back to OneSchema defaults. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching.